habakren ba kakan hun kejongi uti 7 mentagasngi unu he pulit ke East Castle sepulai thu bana kalyang ki pulit kimshim la bom pathari ki ba kibawan nagate ke jingalang jong ke HYC henre ula kampat bagate ke jing mensa jong ki ke dei namar ke jing ur na ke jing mare kulmar ulong ru ba ke jing kawat lathi ki ba kalong tang ban penprai ki ba kibala saila wat hadin bala maham ba kimde banyat procession ne ya kin hun shaka chaka shatngan uba Edelbert wat hadin ba ki borsan char district la pinjeri da ke section 144 CRPC ha kan ni jakam hadin ke jing pin ibor na keleng ki ba ki pulen henre wot kilong kimi kila shakem kin thop yo wayu samla chinrang ki pulet kle thu ba ya kini ki bala shakem latian bishar ha kashiri mentagasngi bar ka kashiri kala aibor ki pulet banset ya ki khal asni ha judicial custody bala pengat ru ya ki ha ki kendon bamla banyo jamin nagini ki henre wot langut ki don ha pedang ke jing shitom ba don menta Shillong Civil Hospital.
It was very clear na do manasdang hiba ai permission ikiru. Ada pentip ikiba permission cannot be allowed for civil hospital. Number one thing is a hospital where patients are being kept, and in fact that place is no noise zone. Okay, kumiksidang man ka hospital kaya no noise zone. So you can't even leave aside bamlat pan pahon. More than that, later ban whole public meeting like it's out of question. Second thing is that place is also Kamdan Chakahi, Margarika highway, and there's no place also for public meeting. If public meeting, that means the whole road will have to be closed. So we told them that you cannot hold a meeting there. Then after that, they received the letter. Then subsequently, that from our inputs that we received, we can go ahead. But we tried to make contacts with them. Arpo, Pratrik, we requested them to meet us. Office of Deputy Commissioner, Kiwan, hang tu ngi kreniki nyong pe menumlong hang tu, more kamlong conducive. And then they requested Hajan to keep pandu to PWD office nyong tu menumlong, maka tu kerika. It's a government, government area. Then ultimately they requested a Laban Sports Club, which ultimately we allowed them to hold it there, but with conditions. Many conditions has been given to them, and the main condition is that they should finish off the meeting by 3 o'clock, and that after the meeting there should be no procession. They should just disperse the meeting in a venue meeting. There should be no procession after that, and they should just pass off peacefully. But here in this instance case, Kiwan chapo Schwabikin led chapo a venue ru, they came in a procession. Nang tadi kipo yang tu po civil hospital, they stopped there. Tatang mai pulit klamsha ikiben led to Jakarta 144. Then they requested kiong pelat ini tang katukan ningyot gini syukran yo tu basa tengah nang tu. And that also we allowed them. A small delegation went and met him also. Nang tu break select ka meeting, like sepelong to a meeting. Dalam pelong ta meeting, they have stretched the meeting beyond the timing. The magistrate had gone there. Ongiki ong pika meet ka porjuki di library and they had to mentar padlam. But good, they refused to listen to the magistrate also, and they ultimately ended the meeting at 5 o'clock. Tahadu kata also we still contain ourselves. Nang tu benda kita nanti bela mi no, ina nang mi no, and they were been allowed. Kita badang mi iklan nang yami. Then this particular group there, nadu na po ka venue hi, they had a full intention of going to civil hospital, and they came on the procession. And pinda pe ka tu ka clippings of piru pinda I hang tu ba kumno bi penya chwadi ki kyntait na khamat. They were thinking that nak penya di ki kyntait na khamat kinsa pentur be di ki kyntait na khamat to pulit numla le, and they'll be able to break our cordon, and we will have to allow them to go chaka ki kwa ban le. So that's why when the pe ka cordon jong police tu ngla bo di ki kyntait na khamat. So then after that, then they tried to break the cordon of the police, and ultimately mild lathi charge had to be resorted to. That's the only way to disperse them. If we had not done that, probably you might have more casualties. We use a very mild lathi charge also. The only thing is many of them may have been injured because of all the running and all. And in fact, they assaulted our police officers. They assaulted our female constables also. And after they have been dispersed in October there, then we picked up the people who were actually involved in instigating the crowd, and also the person there who assaulted the police officer on duty there. You see, the thing is, in that kind of once you have a lathi charge, you see, the thing is, anything can happen. Okay, don't worry about don't worry about share. Tang pinapay tang agar kombi kimud ban pray to barricade jungi, taman pan pray to barricade jungi ngatry kita kyntait man khamat du kila. I mean, kamet kapat jengki ru kala shitam. No matter the kind of pressure that the male were pushing from behind, yeki can type and break through that police cordon ru. Tanakaturu miki kila, you can type yakma ila mansa. Leave aside the femlati charge ila mansa. After that, but of course, there will be many allegations against the police. That, of course, it's quite normal. That they allege pulit lale kumta. From our side, we feel that we have restrained ourselves as much as possible, and we have done what is legally right, for us to do. With that kind of crowd, pinong uno bayang til and uno bapit kai. I mean, I think so. That's asking. It's quite, it's something which is asking too much. Now, how will the police over there know uno bri bushu yang kai, uno bushu yang pet lorni, uno were part of the crowd? No. The thing is, our main aim is that to disperse all the crowd from there, irrespective of passerbys. Nani to bushu yang pet kai, bushu pet lorni ru. We have to disperse them. We can't allow a crowd to be there. Okay, teban pinong mentabun pulit uni or to uni bo yang kai to pensaan yang uni bo part procession be. I mean that I think so probably is asking too much. Then imagine that if we didn't have larangim barricade ikato, what would happen? And if these people hold a meeting over there? No, so you have to look from that side also, from that point of view also. More. And whatever we have done as per law, and we have restrained ourselves to a great extent. And here also I would like to make a point also, by the organizers, in fact they had issued a press release also asking for school children and college children to attend. And they have also asked them to have a shutdown of the schools and colleges. Luckily, on the 28th, my police officers went to each and every school and told them that this permission has not been granted for them to hold a meeting in this place, in this particular place, and please do not send your children to the school. Now, what that means, their intention was that they will use the school children as a shield, like they have used these females, the ladies, as a shields. They were thinking of using the school children as a shield so that they can break through the police cordon. So now it's for you to, see how you look at. 7 of them have been arrested, 6 females and 1 male. 4 of them are in hospital. They have been admitted yesterday. 3 of them were forwarded to court today, and they have been remanded to 12 days police custody, or judicial custody. Sorry. Cases are under 147, 188, 186, 323, 353. 147 is that writing. Then 188 is section 144. 186, then 323 is causing hurt, and 353 is assault. And this case is a non-bailable case, and so they have been remanded to judicial custody for 12 days.